Good afternoon. My name is Wilfie Soto Velázquez, course Reverse Logist, Group 5. Paper waste. In the case of paper, the most common recommendation is recycling. For this test, tips should be followed. Collect the paper, separate it from the other waste to avoid contamination. Collect the paper in eco bins, located in each workstation or in the areas with the highest generation of used paper and cardboard. Adquiere business service for the correct disposal of waste. The company uses a machine called a wrapping machine to convert the paper into bales, and the bales are reprocessed into recycled paper. This is an environmentally friendly practice and generates an economic income made for the company. Baking pictures. In the image 1, baking process. In the image 2, children's paper bale. In the image 3, bales to make recycled paper. This process for the company generates and the money. Also, also a good practice with the environment. Thanks.